guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Apache NetBeans 29 on Windows 11 operating system. To download the software, in Google search box write there NetBeans, then go on this NetBeans Apache org site. Then you can get your latest release Apache NetBeans 29. Click on this download button. Then you can get this here zip file. Bin zip file, you need to click this here platform independent. So file is now currently downloading. Now if I go inside this command prompt, let's checking their Java version. So writing here Java minus minus version. Then you can see Java 25 that's already installed. Now if I write there Java, you can see this all, and if I write Java C, this all that's come there. This means Java is installed the path that has been setted already. Okay, so first you need to download and install, then you can use this Apache NetBeans on inside the Windows 11. Now let's see the status. This is Apache NetBeans almost downloaded. Here click on this show in folder. This here we need to extract this file. Right click, then click on this extract all. So on this same location, so file is now extracting. Now you can see the file that extracted. Let's close this, and this here NetBeans 29. Click this, then go add to here. You can see this all that's come there. Then moving on bin directory. Inside the bin there are three files of NetBeans and here NetBeans 64. Or clicking on this NetBeans and here more, then click on this run, and this here Apache NetBeans IDE 29, or turning on modules, and this here loading. So this done. Thereafter let's click on this new project Java with Java application, selecting next, and this here configuring Java, activating Java SE. Let's give their project name project X. Now click on this finish. So this is there. So this is the code to print the hello world, removing all this unnecessary comment. This also. Now simply this is some background process is going on. This here you can see this all important files. Right click there, click on this run file. So now you can see JDK25 that's detected there, and this is the download location. So this now project is running. So project is running, compiling one source hello world that's displaying. Let's do there some changing. Control S to save, right click there, then run file. So run file. Now you can see hello world dot dot dot, that's the display. So this is how we can install Apache NetBeans 29 on Windows 11. So I hope guys this video is so helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.